Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can measure your heart rate here at the Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro. It sounds a bit crazy, but you can do that here with a fingerprint sensor. Let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll down here right next to the camera. Then you will have here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down to the point Special Features, and you will find the point Heart Rate. Okay, first of all, you have to give your permission, so you have to allow everything and so on, and then you can measure here with the fingerprint sensor your heart rate. Just take your phone like this and hold your finger on it. Keep holding your finger for some seconds. You can see that here, by the way, how many seconds remaining. And then the phone is checking your BPM. And at the end, you will have an average result, and I hope that I'm fine. Okay, a pretty nice tool, and yeah, you don't have to count yourself. No, so I don't know what's in English. I'm sorry. I hope that everything is fine and that you are having a good result. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.